that children need travel and shoes. Drive your problems from here. All good people read good books. Now your conscience is clear. I hear you talk.